Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete your transaction history from JazzCash. Either you can do it or not. So a lot of people are trying to search the question like how can they delete their transaction history or how they can hide it. So unfortunately there is no current official way that you can do it through your mobile banking app, or you can just contact the bank and they won't be able to help you in any case. Like this is very important for the bank to keep all the details and all the information that is being used in your account. Either it is your transaction history, the transaction amounts, or the whatever the recipient name is, as when a customer needs them, so they can contact the bank and they will be able to help you. Like let's say if a bank deletes your transaction history or delete the records, so it can create a problem for the bank as well, and a really bad impression for the customers as well, as some of the customers needs it like after a few months. So it is very important for the bank to keep all those details. However, if you need any further help, this is the helpline of JazzCash, like 4444, 4 times 4. You can just call them and contact them, and hopefully they will be able to help you in any case like related to your specific issue. You can just contact them and they might help you in your case. So that is simple answer of how you can delete or cannot delete your transaction histories in JazzCash.